This story's title is Go Grandpa Go by Lynn Plourde, illustrated by Sophie Beer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Zig, zag, zip, zoom, go Grandpa go. Past flowers, lawn showers, go Grandpa go. Under trees, buzzing bees, go Grandpa go. Honk, beep, busy street, go Grandpa go. Push, whee! 1, 2, 3, go Grandpa go. Dash and dart, fill the car, go Grandpa go. Puddle stomp, muddy romp, go Grandpa go. Night sky, fly high, go Grandpa go. Rock and hum, day is done, whoa Grandpa whoa. Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.